Can I sit next to you? Yeah.
Right.
You guys so famous, so I want to sit next to you.
No, I didn't. I don't have a bro.
Oh, you don't have a bro.
We don't have a bro.
So, how do you get a bro? Do you have to get it like a YouTube? Bro?
No.
No.
Then
Did somebody give it to you, the bro?
What is a bro?
what is a bro?
Wow. Apa ni?
Ryan has a bro.
No.
Then
You don't know what is bro.
No.
oh, I don't know what is bro.
Kawan lah.
One lah.
Alright, this trip is turning out to be full of surprises.
Nasi goreng, nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
This will assure the taste of our barbecue chicken and prawns.
That design.
It will all depend on the daun pisang.
Okay, folks. The secret to potato salad.
You should use Japanese mayonnaise.
Tons and tons of Japanese mayonnaise.
Don't use normal mayonnaise.
Yeah, here's the evidence. The proof. Okay. All good, chef?
All good, yeah.
Good. Yeah, alright. You've given a thumbs up. Let's look at the chicken. Wow, look at that. Okay guys, these are the chefs behind the awesome yeah. There's more where this came from. Good morning folks, and that concludes our 2 days 1 night stay here at Kembang Sejati. A fantastic location, just 2 hours drive away from KL City, and for those who plan to come over here from Singapore or Johor, it's about 3.5 to 4 hours trip down to get you to Kembang Sejati, just at the border of Melaka, Alor Gajah. Fantastic location. Why? Because there's 8 chalets over here that can easily fit 2 adults, 2 children, and even to a maximum number of 6 in certain chalets that you opt out here. So there are 12, like I mentioned. 4 of them basically have the access to 2 adults, 2 kids, or 6, and those would cost you in the range of 180 ringgit per chalet. And for the other 8 units of chalets over here, they can easily accommodate 2 adults in the room. But if you have children as well, you can get extra beds. You can ask the owners of the chalet to help you out with that. And those 8 chalets can cost you up to 150 ringgit at this current moment. So Kembang Sejati Chalet is exceptionally a good option if you ask me, because it's right in front of a beach. You just have to walk a mere 6 minutes from the chalet and you're straight on the beach side. Not very busy, and for non-locals, you'll definitely not find this place unless you're specifically coming over here. So Kembang Sejati is a good location. Only a select few locals would know it. So the beach is beautiful, calm, and not overcrowded. So yeah, we had a great time. Coming up over here in this type of places is fantastic because you get to do barbecues, you get to organize your own barbecues, and if you want to hire an audio video system, you can do so, and probably you can have a little karaoke session That's fun too. We didn't get to do it this round though, but nevertheless, another chalet that was right behind us, they seem to have a pretty good and pretty loud karaoke session right up to midnight yesterday. So yeah, once again, a good location if you have a large group that's planning to go out just for a quick getaway from the city. I can't say anything better because this place is already good enough. It's got all the accesses and facilities that we were looking for. A nice, clean chalet to sleep in, have a quick shower, change of clothes, good rest, and also a nice kitchen and dining area that we had for our own self. You can rent that out as well, and it comes fully equipped with a fridge, a freezer, cooking facilities, gas stove, utensils, kitchen utensils. But if you want to bring your own, you can do so as well. And all in all, a great location for large groups. But if it's just 2 of you or 4 of you in a family and you want to go on a good budget escape out of the city, 150 ringgit or 180 ringgit it's for me, in my books, it's a good a no-brainer basically. So over here you have 4 rooms, and these are all fitted with queen size beds. Price per night is 150 ringgit, and it's the same as these 4 over here. They're also 150 ringgit. Each has got a queen size bed and can easily accommodate 2 adults, 2 kids. And if you want extra beds, like if you have extra guests, you can rent extra bed for 10 ringgit. Over here you have another 2 more rooms. These are 180 because it comes with a queen size bed as well as 1 single bed. So it can easily accommodate 2 adults and 2 kids. But then again, if you want to have like 6 people, you can do that in these 2 rooms as well as these 2 as well. So this is the best part about a family holiday because it's non-stop. And this is a wrap from all of us. Okay, Melaka. Yeah, bye-bye. Thank you.
Ghostbusters. Ghostbusters, yeah. Thank you so much.
There you have it, folks. A family holiday, and it's a wrap. So I would definitely give this place a visit if you have the time and you just want to get away to somewhere not over touristy or over commercialized. So pretty awesome place. You'll definitely be coming back. So thanks a lot for joining us on this trip. This is somewhat a different method. I'm trying to do sort of like a raw version of a video on my channel. So let me know in the comments below if you like this sort of regular upload, you like the raw ones, because I found that having a lot of editing, music in the background, nowadays people just want the story, and we like to see things as it is rather than editing and color grading and stuff, all those stuff. So I think yeah, let me know in the comments below whether you like this or not, and hopefully you will also subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now. Cheers.